Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So today we are going to make a recipe from the mesmerizing islands of Greece. We are making tzatziki, which is a dip made with yogurt and cucumber. We had the opportunity of tasting many Greek dishes when we visited this island a few years back, and this is one of them. So let's proceed to make tzatziki, which is a simple dip made with yogurt, cucumber, and we use dill for flavoring, which today I'm going to use from my kitchen window garden. It's very tender and nice, and let's proceed to do that. To make tzatziki, we'll require thick and creamy yogurt, about 1 cup. Some dill leaves, this is fresh, homegrown, so nice and tender. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, preferably use extra virgin olive oil. And some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 cucumber. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now wash the cucumber well and peel it. This dip we had it in Greece for the first time when we visited few years back, and I really fell in love with it. It reminded us of our Indian cucumber raita. It's amazing to see how certain dishes are so similar, although from different cuisines, different countries. So now the peeling is done, we are going to grate it. Use the bigger side of the grater. We are done with the grating. Now spread it and add the vinegar and little bit of salt. Give it a nice mix and set it aside for some time. Now take the garlic into a pestle and mortar. Now I normally crush the garlic and preserve it, so I'm using crushed garlic. Otherwise you take 3 or 4 pieces of garlic, whole garlic. Add little oil and crush it. This way, by crushing, the flavors of the garlic will be infused into the oil. I'm using pure olive oil, but preferably you should use extra virgin olive oil for better results. Now stir in the remaining oil also and give it a nice stir. We are going to set this aside also until we whisk the yogurt and chop the greens. Now using a small balloon whisk the yogurt very well. I have set it at home. To get the creamy texture, you can add 1 tablespoon of milk powder to the milk while setting. This is the tip. Or you can use the ready Greek yogurt, which is quite thicker in consistency. Now take a larger bowl and mix together the yogurt and the garlic infused oil. Mix them very well. I think the oil does the trick. This dip is so good, even the next day it doesn't become sour like our raitas. Now take the grated cucumber and squeeze out the water. We don't want too much liquid content in the dip. So squeeze it out very nicely. Add it to the yogurt and the same way remove from the remaining also. Give it a nice mix so that the grated cucumber is mixed evenly in the yogurt. Now chop the dill leaves finely. We will be using about 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is so nice and delicate, tender leaves. Nothing like homegrown greens. Stir them into the yogurt. We are done with it. Now give it a nice mix and the dip is ready. Just taste it and check if the salt is required, only then you add little bit, because salt was already added to the cucumbers. Give it a mix and you are done. Tzatziki is ready to be served. Dish it out into a serving bowl. This little bowl also I bought from Greece. It's very cute, nice and colorful. Garnish with some dill leaves and you serve it with some crispy butter garlic toast. You can serve it with some crackers or some veggies also, like carrot strips, radish strips, whatever you like. So make and enjoy this flavorful tzatziki from Greece. It's a perfect one to make when you are entertaining friends. I'm sure your family and friends will enjoy this dip. So friends, stay connected and stay tuned to see such interesting recipes on my channel. Until then, happy cooking. If you have any particular recipe request, post it in the comment section. Take care. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.